So guys, I'll be going through I'm going through my profile, like I'll going through the dashboard. I'm showing you something. I haven't posted I haven't posted for a very, very long time, and there's something interesting happening. I went into 9% drawdown on that profile account I was trading. Yes, 9% drawdown. That's crazy. But I'm coming out from drawdown now. I'm currently in 4% drawdown. So like that's just crazy. And I never reduce my risks. I've always been risking 1% per trade. That's just the crazy thing about me. I'm a risk taker. So that's just how I'm built. So let's get into the dashboard. Okay. So guys, um this is my funding pips dashboard. As you can see here, 43% this thing, 43% win rate here. And you can see my average loss, average win, and you can see the account balance. This account balance at one point was at 4,550. I just had $50 to blow the account, but I just kept on following my rules. You understand? But what initially got me into 9% drawdown was breaking my rules. I over traded. There was a day I lost $200. Like that's 4% in one day. That was crazy. Almost lost my whole daily drawdown. That's just crazy, sharp. But we are out of that stage, and we are moving higher. So that's it. So this is my PNL for the week. It was just crazy. Understand? Just crazy PNL. And I'll show you my trades this week. This week I decided to follow my rule and it paid off. Let me show you something. This was when I started breaking my rules. I lost $113 here, lost 200 here. As you can see, I lost 200 here. Then I made 250 back. Still went. The next week, I still went ahead to break my rules because I lost here. That was a nice day because one trade per day, as you can see, just one trade taken, one trade per day, and 1% risk. That's $50. This day was a break even day. So you can see break even. Here, I still lost another $50. Then this was the day I broke my rules. I took 5 trades, as you can see, 5 trades. This day was the day I broke my rule. I took 5 trades. I lost 227, and my daily journal is 240, 250 around that mark. So just think about it. It's just crazy. Like for you to continue to trade, you are losing. You still kept on trading. I'm losing. I'm still trading, trying to gain back my loss. That's like revenge trading, and this is what it cost me, $237. Then on Friday, I had just my last $50. That was when I was in 9% drawdown. I had just my last $50. Guess what? We reached our $50. Our last $50. We made 3R. Sorry about that. We reached our last $50, and we made 3R. We'll go back to that. And we made 3R that day. Just took one trade, as you can see, one trade here. Just took one trade. We made 3R. And then, that got me thinking about, like, if I keep on breaking my rules this way, I won't be able to become profitable in trading. Like I won't, even if I'm profitable, I won't be able to make money because keep breaking my rules. And not being disciplined is not being profitable. Like if you are not disciplined, you can't be profitable. That's just one thing I sat and I thought of. I was like, if I really need to make it in trading, I really need to change the way I think. I need to be disciplined. I need to be more focused. So I entered the next week with a different mindset. On Monday, was break even, took 2 trades, break even. Then Tuesday, took one trade, as you can see, lost that one trade. I didn't do anything. I just lost the trade and I was good. Then on Wednesday, took one trade again, 0.05 lot, $50 risk, and boom, we made 150. That's 3R. I always go for 3R. You have to be always going for a positive risk to reward. If you are risking one, make sure you are getting two. If you are risking one, make sure you are getting three. If you are risking one, try to get four, something like that. So 1:2, 1:3, those kind of risk reward are very good. It's going to help you in the long run. But if you are risking 1:1, you have to have a very high win rate if you want to make money. If not, you're just going to be in one position or even losing and blowing your account. So on Wednesday, I made 150. That was a good start. You understand? Then on Thursday, As you can see, I also took one trade. You see, I've become disciplined. One trade per day. Even if I don't take one trade, I take basically um $50 risk per day. You understand? I might divide my risk into $25, but I just take $50 risk per day. That's just how I've been doing it. This day I also took one trade 0.02. I think this trade was USD CHF. I went longs on USD CHF, but I got stopped out by news. The NFP just came, spiked up and down and all those shit. So I got stopped out at $19. And guess what? They deducted the profit. So I didn't make money that day. They deducted the profit because of the trade was closed during news hour. You understand? Those kind of rules that Profem implements. So that's just it. So that's just it for my recent progress in my account. As you can see, this account I never actually made money, because if you look at this area, you see that is $5,000. That's the max. $5,001. That's the max balance, and max equity was $5,063. Just crazy. Like, I got this account straight into drawdown, almost blew the account, came back to like the middle, and I'm trying to go back to break even. Then I can try to make money and get our first payout. And as you can see, this is a live account, because you can see total payout zero. This is a live account. This is a live account. So guys, your boy has been grinding this challenge. So we are looking to, prepare ourselves for the next week, and our daily drawdown is now going to be $240. $240. That's our daily drawdown. Then our max drawdown is 310. So just risking $50 per day. I'll see what you can do. If you don't see a setup any day, we are not going to be taking any trade. I'll just go through the trades I took. I'll go through the trades I took during the week, just to show you how they look like. Yeah. So I took I took a trade on USD CHF. I took a trade on USD CHF just around this area. I'll go to the one hour time frame. So guys, sorry about that. So guys, this is the trade I took on USD CHF. It was a beautiful one. We went into profit. We went into massive profit. I think we went to 1:2. I was going for 4R. We went 1:2. As you can see, started from this area here, this zone here. We went up to this area, then NFP and others, you understand. This is NFP. Went up, came down, took me out here, break even around this area, then came down to my stop loss level, even lower than my stop loss level, and then started misbehaving, went up, consolidated till the end of the day. That's just what NFP does. So this was my last trade. This was the trade I took on Friday. Let me show you the trade I took on Wednesday. The one I made $150. The trade was a crazy one. I love the trade. Very good trade, very good setup. Look at this. Trade is so beautiful. I love seeing beautiful setup. Like, it just makes me happy, you understand. I saw this level. I know that GBP has been bullish over the Canadian dollar. So we are making higher highs from here. If you look closely, you see that as you can see, we're making higher highs from this area. We're just making higher highs, then higher lows, higher lows, like that. Then after we broke this area, went up, came down. We didn't break over this level here, but I was looking at it in the lower time frame. Price went up that early morning around Asia session. This was still during Asia session. Price was up. Then I woke up early in the morning to analyze the chart. Then I saw this setup. I saw this another block here in the 15-minute time frame. Saw another block here, and I saw the way price rejected off of this level. very good level, and this area was another block area. So I just decided that why not? Why don't I just take longs from here? Then I put my stop loss here, 15, 12 pips, 13 pips stop loss, and 46 pips take profit. So I was just going for a cool 1:3. Yes, 1:3. Then took my entry here. Price actually consolidated because this was Asia session. Price just consolidated. Then when we got to when we got to London session, I guess, or towards the end of towards the end of Asia session, stroke London session, we had this big push, one, two, and I hit take profit. And you see that price eventually took out liquidity from this area. So price just consolidated, took out the liquidity, and boom, onto the upside straight. And don't be greedy with your take profit. I don't like putting my take profit level above structure. I love putting it before the structure, so that in case if price want to reject off of that level, maybe that area is a resistance level, I'll be able to I'll be able to I'll be able to make money, and I will not lose money. That's just the point. So this is one good trade, and these are the two good trades I took, and the many trades I took were break even. Okay, let me show you the loss I took. The one loss I took this week on AUD USD. It was a good one, but it was not just something for me. This was it. I wanted to enter off of this breaker block here. See this area here. Look at this area. This area was a resistance, then went up. And it was going to be a support now. So, and I also wanted to respect this fair value gap here, but price didn't do shit. Price, we just got cooked. Like we got cooked immediately. So it took time, but we got cooked at the end. Like, so price just came in, tapped us in, went down, went up, gave us little bit of profit, then came down, went up, and finally price just took us out. And that was when I now knew that okay, my bias was wrong because AUD is quite bearish. So those are the trade I took this week, and discipline is what kept me. Discipline is what kept me, because if I was not disciplined this week, I would have blown my account. So from now, I'll be documenting the journey ahead, and just going to keep being disciplined and all that, so that I'll be able to make money and be able to reach our goal of making $5,000 with this challenge. Don't worry, guys. You guys are going to be here to see the progress. Just like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification. You will love it. You will get the good content. So, guys, I'm just going to be preparing um for the week ahead. So that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.